Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some fresh leaks about a phone that is still a long way off, the Nothing Phone 4A. A recent entry in the IMEI database has all but confirmed its existence. The model number is A069, and interestingly, it's dated September 23rd, 2025, so we know it's real, but what else do we know? Well, the rumor mill is pointing towards a 2026 release, which means we've got a while to wait. But the early whispers suggest that Nothing might be playing it a little too safe this time around. Let's start with the design. The iconic glyph interface is expected to make a comeback, but honestly, is it still an innovation or is it just becoming a familiar gimmick? We'll have to see if they bring any new tricks to the table, because right now it feels more like repetition than reinvention. On the software front, we're looking at Nothing OS 4.0, which will be built on Android 16. The promises are what you'd expect: new AI tools, a smoother user experience, and that signature clean Nothing aesthetic. These are all solid improvements for sure, but they don't exactly scream game changer. It's the kind of steady progress we expect, not the revolutionary leap that Nothing first promised. Now let's talk hardware. The leaks point to a 120 Hz full HD plus AMOLED display, pretty standard for the mid-range market these days. Powering the device will likely be a next-gen chip, possibly the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 or a comparable MediaTek Dimensity processor. To keep it all running, we're hearing about a 5,000 mAh battery with 50 WH fast charging. Again, these are reliable, dependable specs, but they're also incredibly predictable. Competitors are already pushing 100 W charging and beyond, so 50 WW might feel a bit slow by 2026. And what about the cameras? The rumors are actually quite strong here, suggesting a triple 50 megapixel sensor setup on the back and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. On paper, that sounds impressive, but it's becoming the new standard for a good mid-range phone. The real test will be in the software and image processing. So what's the big picture? The Nothing Phone 4A is expected to launch globally in March 2026, positioning itself firmly in the competitive mid-range bracket. But with so many other brands pushing the boundaries of performance, charging speeds, and meaningful AI features, Nothing is at risk of simply blending in. The initial excitement around the brand was built on innovation and a fresh perspective. If the phone 4A is just another good enough device, it might struggle to stand out in an already packed market. What do you think? Is Nothing playing it too safe, or is this a smart move to solidify their place in the market? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next one.